Are you worried about your website speed optimization and looking for the best cache plugin for your WordPress website? Then this episode will help you a lot. In this episode, we'll share the total overview as well as settings for the WP Fastest Cache WordPress plugin. In my experience, it is the best website speed optimization plugin for the beginner because of its settings and simple settings and options. So let's get started. For setup WP Fastest Cache WordPress plugin, at first you need to install the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. So go to WordPress dashboard and plugin and then add new. Now search WP Fastest Cache WordPress plugin and install and activate. When you activate it, you will see new options named WP Fastest Cache at the bottom of the WordPress dashboard section. Now let's know those settings step by step. Cache system. You must enable cache system for your website. Widget cache system. It is a premium feature of this plugin. It enables a cache system for the widget. Preload. You should enable this setting. Preload will occur every 5 minutes on every pages, such as home page, post, page, categories, tags, etc. Logged in user. You should enable this setting only if you admin. But in multiple user situation, you should disable this setting because every user can disable or enable this setting for their own purpose. Mobile. You must disable this option, but in some cases, you should enable it when you have a separate mobile theme or AMP version. But nowadays, all the themes are very responsive and mobile optimized. So, you don't need to use those features. Mobile theme. It is a premium feature. If you use the mobile theme for the mobile user separately, then you should enable this option. Otherwise, disable it. New post. You should enable this option. When you enable this, it will clear the total cache after publishing a new post. Update post. You should enable this option because when you enable this option, it will clear the total cache after updating any post. Minify HTML. You should enable this option. Minify HTML option will minimize all the HTML files and remove unnecessary HTML code. As a result, your website file size will reduce the file size of the HTML file. Minify HTML Plus. It is a premium feature of this plugin. This feature is a more powerful HTML minification. Minify CSS. You should enable this option. Minify CSS option will minimize all the CSS file and remove unnecessary CSS code. As a result, your website file size will reduce the file size of the CSS file. Combine CSS. Enable or disable this option will depend on the size of the site. If you have a small site, then you should enable this combine CSS. On the other hand, larger site should not combine CSS file. Minify JS. It is a premium feature of this plugin. This feature is more powerful JS minification. Combine JS. Enable or disable this option will depend on the size of the site. If you have a small site, then you should combine JS. On the other hand, larger site should not combine JS files. Zip. You should enable this option, but if you are using CDN, then disable this option. Browser caching. You should enable this option. Browser caching option will store data to reduce load times temporarily for those who are repeated user. Disable emoji. You should enable this option. Render blocking JS. It is a premium feature of this plugin. This option will eliminate render blocking resource and increase site performance in Google's page speed insight. If you buy the premium version, that you will get this feature. Otherwise, using the auto optimize plugin, it's a free plugin. You can use this plugin for free. Google Font, it is a premium feature of this plugin. Enable this if you use Google Font individually. And at least lazy load, it is a premium feature of this plugin. Load image and iframe when they enter the browser viewport. The other tab is delete cache. Once you have completed all the setup of WP Fasted cache settings, then go to the delete cache tab and manually delete the website cache as well as minify HTML, CSS and JS file. You will see where cache file have been stored, so that you can delete all the cache files from here. Also, if you modify any CSS file, you have to delete minified CSS file. All cache will be removed as well. The other option is image optimization. It is a premium feature of this plugin. It will optimize all your website images, both new and uploaded. But I don't recommend this plugin for image optimization. You will get many image optimization plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. The most popular image optimization plugins are ShortPixel, Imagify or TinyPNG. You can use one of them for getting the best result for optimizing website image. So here you guys, using those WP Fasted cache setting will increase your website speed performance to the next level. If you are the beginner, I would recommend it to use WP Fasted cache for getting best result. If you have any question, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer it surely. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial.